Hello lovely people, how you all doing? I hope everybody's doing so well. So in today's video I'm going to unbox Jonathan Simkhai black dress summer vibe. So let's get into the video and I hope you enjoy this video. This is their little thank you card saying thank you for shopping with us. The website I ordered this dress is called bloomberg.com. So the size and fit says it fits true to size. So that means if you want to order this kind of summer dresses or the dresses, you have to order your normal size to fit you perfectly. I am a size medium, which is 38, and sometimes I wear 36. So I'll say I am small to medium. This particular dress is designed for an A-line cut in an ankle length. Sometimes I do wear large according to the style of the dress, especially summer dresses. I love it big. Another thing you also have to look into is when you order this kind of dresses, especially internationally, they will write you a note that please know that this dress will be delivered with a back tag attached with instruction for removal included. So that means if the B tag is removed, the dress cannot be returned because it already removed it. But if you do end up removing the tags or losing the receipt, the cloth will have to be in a perfect condition, meaning no wear, no tears, wrinkles, or stretch out areas. For anyone to consider the return, I think you have to make sure the items you are returning show no signs of wear. But I believe if you remove the tags or the receipt, I think it's a big no. You cannot take item back without a receipt or the tax on it. I believe it's all up to the retailer. The shell of the material is 80% rayon, 20% nylon, and the inner lining is 100% cotton, and it's machine wash. Of course, you can use your hand to wash. So Jonathan Simkhai, I think I've turned it upside down. My camera is not really capturing the color of this material. It's so beautiful and purely neon black. It's black and feels so amazing. It's very soft and nice. So this is how the front looks, and this is how the back looks. It's very chic, very beautiful, very sexy summer dress. Fortunately, I'm going to keep this for another year. I just came back from holiday. I ordered it and it delayed. So that is the main reason why I'm doing an unboxing right now. I never got to wear this beautiful dress on holiday. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to keep it for the next year. I love this dress. So now, this is how the dress looks on me with a brassiere, with a bra. I don't think I'm gonna go out wearing this beautiful, sexy summer dress without a bra. Oh, hell no. No way. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Well, I really don't know if it's good to wear brassiere with this kind of dress. I mean, who cares? When your boobs are extra tiny, you can. So now this is how the dress looks on me. I am 5'5", not too tall, but it's so beautiful. It's not too short or too long. It's just perfect. So you can wear slippers with this dress. You can wear it with a heel or any kind of whatever you want to wear with it. It's just perfect summer dress. So yeah, summer is about to be over. So of course I'm gonna keep this for the next year. Got 2 pockets at the side, which I love so much. Oh my god, I love this dress. Very comfy, very comfortable, so flowy and very cute. You see, this is with a bra, so the back looks so cute. It is sleeveless over the shoulder and adjustable strap. Very cute. And also has this plunging back with straps, detail, and elasticized waist. So now I'm showing you without a bra. I'm not having any bra on right now. So without a bra, this is how it looks on me, exactly like how we have it in the pictures. There's no way I'm gonna go out like this. Oh no, hell no, no way, no. I'm not gonna go out like this. I don't fucking care. I'm gonna wear a tube inside or some kind of bra. I mean, I just have to think about it. But the back is so beautiful. The fabric is lightweight, non-stretched, and it has this sloped wave to the material. It's so beautiful. Texture is so amazing, very soft and very comfortable. And it has adjustable shoulder straps, which you can adjust to fit you perfectly. The price on this dress are kind of interesting. Some are very expensive and some are very okay. So I bought this on sale, and if you search through different kind of website, of course, some are very extra expensive and some are normal, like $350 or 350 euros. So here I just want to show you all the details you need to know about this dress, from top to the end, from the waist to the hip, from all corners. Okay, so I just want you to have a good look about this dress, how beautiful this dress looks on. I love the strappy dress with a flowing silhouette, cut out detail at the back, and an open back. It gives you freedom. I mean, it's very nice. I love it. Love it. Love it.
And
so much.
I got it in size large and fits me perfectly. Normally I wear a size medium. I was just thinking if I should order it in medium or so, yeah. And it fits so perfectly. Also very stretchy, so you can adjust it to your preference. It's very cool. Love it.
So this Calliope colored maxi dress is so amazing. So here I just wanna turn it inside out for you guys to see how it has been lined. It is not fully lined. It is lined from the waist to the knee or above the knee at least, and it's purely cotton. The line is cotton and it feels so good, very good quality as well. And also have this tag inside, Jonathan Simkhai. Again, the prices are very interesting. In some website it's reasonable, and to other websites it's unreasonable somehow. So I got mine on sale at low as 168 euros. So that's all. I can't really remember because I've already thrown everything away, the receipt and everything. So yeah, because I'm gonna keep this dress. Yes, I'm gonna keep it. So see you in my next video, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share for more videos. Love you. Mwah.